A clear software comparison starts now, and AI voice will continue the walkthrough. Infinox positions itself as a flexible, execution-focused broker, designed to serve both retail and more experienced traders who want choice without unnecessary friction. The platform supports MT4 and MT5 across desktop, web, and mobile, giving traders access to Forex, indices, commodities, equities, and cryptocurrencies through a familiar trading environment. Execution is built around ECN and STP models, allowing traders to choose between tighter spreads with commissions or commission-free pricing with slightly wider spreads. Liquidity depth is a strong point here, with fast order execution and minimal requotes during normal market conditions, which appeals to scalpers and intraday traders. Infinox also supports advanced tools like copy trading, VPS hosting, and automated strategies, making it suitable for traders who want to scale beyond manual execution or run multiple systems simultaneously with consistent performance. The advantages of Infinox include platform reliability, competitive spreads on ECN accounts, flexible leverage options, and a wide selection of instruments across major and alternative markets. Multiple account configurations allow traders to adapt the setup to their strategy rather than forcing a one-size-fits-all structure. Customer support is frequently mentioned as responsive and helpful, particularly during onboarding, verification, and initial funding stages, which reduces friction for new users. On the downside, higher leverage may not be suitable for inexperienced traders, and some users report that advanced tools and integrations require time to configure properly. While the platform is well-rounded from an execution standpoint, it does not heavily differentiate itself with proprietary analytics, built-in portfolio intelligence, or deep institutional research layers. Infinox was founded in 2009 and has steadily built its reputation as a global broker focused on execution quality and account flexibility rather than aggressive marketing or promotional gimmicks. Over time, it expanded its regulatory footprint and product range, positioning itself as a mid-tier broker that balances accessibility with professional trading features. Its growth has been gradual and consistent, appealing primarily to traders who value platform stability, transparent trade execution, and predictable trading conditions rather than social trading hype or short-term bonuses. Pricing reflects that flexibility. Traders can choose between STP accounts with no commissions and ECN accounts where spreads are tighter and commissions apply per lot. Minimum trade sizes start from micro lot levels, making it accessible for smaller accounts, while leverage options vary depending on jurisdiction and regulatory restrictions. Account types include individual accounts, joint accounts, and corporate accounts, allowing both retail traders and business entities to participate. There are no hidden platform fees for standard trading activity, but optional services such as VPS hosting, premium add-ons, or enhanced execution tools may carry additional costs depending on usage. Overall, Infinox pricing structure prioritizes transparency and choice, allowing traders to pay for execution quality rather than bundled extras they may not need. FXCM approaches trading from a stability-first and transparency-driven perspective, positioning itself as a broker for traders who value consistency, regulation, and structured execution rather than extreme leverage or aggressive speculation. The platform supports TradingStation, MT4, and mobile trading, giving users multiple ways to access Forex, indices, commodities, equities, and cryptocurrencies through CFDS. FXCM's proprietary trading station platform is designed to simplify order placement while still offering advanced charting, integrated analytics, and automated strategy support. Execution quality is a major focus, with clear order handling policies and pricing models that emphasize predictability rather than raw speed. One of FXCM's strongest advantages is its regulatory positioning and long-standing presence in global markets. Traders often highlight platform stability during volatile conditions, dependable execution, and strong risk management tools. such as negative balance protection and integrated stop functionality. On the downside, FXCM may feel restrictive for traders who rely on high leverage, ultra-tight ECN spreads or advanced routing control. Scalpers and high-frequency traders may find execution rules less flexible compared to specialist DMA brokers. Some users also note that spreads can widen during volatile periods, and that platform customization is not as deep as professional-grade trading terminals. FXCM prioritizes control, compliance, and consistency over maximum freedom. FXCM was founded in 1999, making it one of the most established retail trading brokers still operating today. Over more than 2 decades, the company has navigated multiple market cycles, regulatory changes, and technological shifts, evolving into a broker focused on transparency and long-term trader sustainability. Its longevity plays a significant role in its appeal, particularly for traders who prioritize broker stability and regulatory oversight over promotional incentives. Pricing at FXCM is primarily spread-based, with costs embedded into spreads rather than explicit commissions for most retail accounts. Certain account configurations and instruments may involve commission-style pricing depending on region and classification. FXCM offers individual accounts as standard, with eligibility-based professional accounts available in specific jurisdictions. Leverage limits depend on regulatory classification, with retail traders typically subject to conservative caps and professionals granted higher flexibility. Additional costs may apply for overnight financing, inactivity, and premium data services, but pricing remains clearly disclosed and predictable. Looking at independent sentiment, Infinox currently holds an exact Trustpilot rating of 4.6, with customers frequently praising execution speed, ECN account performance, smooth withdrawals, and flexible account structures. Common feedback includes comments such as, "Very pleased with their ECN account," "Execution fast even during major news," and "Support team explains everything clearly." FXCM also holds an exact Trustpilot rating of 4.6, with reviewers consistently highlighting customer service quality, professionalism, and reliability. Typical comments mention helpful and patient support, issues resolved quickly, and a broker you can trust long-term, with fewer complaints centered on trust or withdrawals, and more on trading conditions preferences. Final takeaway: if you want flexible execution models, familiar MT4 and MT5 platforms, and the ability to scale from manual to automated trading, with competitive ECN pricing, Infinox delivers a strong balance of accessibility and performance. If your priority is broker longevity, regulatory strength, platform stability, and a structured trading environment designed for consistency rather than speculation, FXCM stands out as a dependable choice. If this comparison helped you decide which broker truly fits how you trade, hit like, subscribe for more honest broker breakdowns, and click the link below to explore the platform that aligns with your strategy, your risk tolerance, and your long-term trading goals.